guys, what's going on? Today is Friday, about 10 o'clock in the morning, headed to work right now. And yeah, taking an old Civic to work today. I work for Jews, so most of you already know. I only work half a day on Fridays, because no, they don't work full days on Fridays and stuff like that. So yeah, take it to work, maybe make a little POV chilling vlog. And yeah, I'm not really gonna probably get into the car too much, because this swap is basically, it's already sold to my friend, so I gotta take care of her. This should be the last month that I should be driving her car also. Should be taking her apart, hopefully starting this month, so we'll see. But yeah, let's get this chill POV going on today, guys, and make sure to hit that like button, comment. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Deliveries right now. Yeah, boy, just got a clutch. It's got the twin disc, and I got it. Got a new sponsorship, y'all. So yeah, pretty excited. Yeah, so basically got a new sponsor for the build. Really excited for it. I gotta wait 2 to 3 weeks for it to be made and all of that. So yeah, I mean, comment down below who you guys think the company is. You guys probably already kind of gonna know what company it is, so based on YouTube. But let me know down below what company you think it is. But yeah, I'm gonna continue doing the deliveries. I'm fucking pumped. Now I gotta get some injectors, and then yeah, probably get the manifold right after. So dude, this car is filthy. I don't think I've washed it. No, I haven't. I haven't washed it all winter. I've driven it in the rain. Gotta definitely take her a shower. And I gotta take it to my dude to go get the paint corrected again. A lot of you don't know, I had a tent, and the whole tent fell on the car. It fucking destroyed my paint. Just purchased the injectors also. So now, yeah, pretty excited, getting the ball rolling. There's like this car meet, if you guys know, if you guys know about it, it's called March Madness. It's like the first car show of the year, always. And it's gonna be over here, and I don't know. I might just take it, and then that's it. But if I don't take it, I'm literally gonna take this car apart within like the next 2 weeks, just start shipping it apart, because I gotta sand down the engine bay and get it prepped for one of my dudes to come through. One of my boys to come through. He has to weld my mount, where the mount goes at. It's cracked. He's gonna weld around it, and then he's gonna probably get some place to reinforce around it. So yeah, pretty stoked. I'm getting closer and closer to everything that I need. Got out of work. Had to fill up on some gas. My daughter called me. She wanted a pizza, so I'm about to get her. Well, about to get us a pie pizza. Got the pizza. Heading home. Got some car parts. Nice chill day. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was just just a chill vlog for today. Not much, just go to work, order parts while working, and yeah. Time to go home to the little one. She wanted pizza, so might as well just get a whole pie, right? But yeah, so I'm not sure what else I'm gonna get into. I'm gonna get home. I know when I go home, I just got a computer table. Because I'm going to be set. I have like a new spot for my gaming area. So if you guys don't know, I'm going to be streaming also now. Also, I'm going to be putting up the computer. I'm going to set up my MacBook. I got to get a couple of other stuff. And I'm going to be streaming with my webcam and everything. I stream now, but just through like the Xbox. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down below. Because there's a couple of you that when I stream, you guys come and join and be chat and stuff like that. So, you know, something different, something else that I like to do. I like to play... I'll call it. I just like to play Warzone and shit. So yeah, it should be fun, something different. I'm gonna set that up. I gotta set up the computer today. Gotta get some lights and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not really too sure what I'm gonna get into, but I know I'm gonna go home and bust this pizza down. So see what else we get into. Maybe today, tomorrow, during the week. Still gotta pick up my block from Spanky. So yeah, maybe we do that this week. So I don't know. We'll see what else we get into. Alright, what up, guys? A couple days later. Ooh, you see that bad boy? Ooh. See what we got in here? Ooh. It's time. It's time to start taking this. Take the block, Fudado. Just give it a little quick wash. Gotta fix this paint. You see that? That's when a 10 fell on my car. Look at that. Sheesh. She's showing crazy though. Anyways. Yeah. I'm about to head to Fudado. I got the piston with me. All I need in the block, and yeah, good to go. So I don't have my phone mount, so I don't think I could really do a POV, I think, but yeah, actually I'm gonna just go get it. Drop off the block. Got CSS. My man Drew right here. You ready to build this car?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. Should be like probably like a 2-week turnaround time. This bitch right here gonna get stripped. Alright, what up guys? What's going on? So I just wanted to close the video. But I wanted to show you guys the injectors that I got. Right here. So got a set of soft bait injectors. These are 1600 cc's. You guys see right here. These have stainless steel inserts, which is great because I'm gonna be going E85. So stainless steel inserts, meaning there will be no rust, no corrosion, no anything like that from the gas. Because if you use regular injectors that don't have stainless steel, over the time they get clogged, dirty, and stuff like that. So these come with the stainless steel inserts, which is great for E85. And you don't have to upgrade them like other injectors. You normally have to upgrade them and stuff. So I got that. And as you guys seen, I sent out the piston. So today they sent out the block to CSS. So it should be maybe like around like a 2-week turnaround time, which is pretty good. So in 2 weeks I should be getting it back. And then once I get the motor back, I'm gonna give it right away to my builder Spanky. And he's gonna build it for me right away. So the motor should be definitely done within a month. And like I told you guys before, I don't think I'm gonna be going to March Madness. So I'm should definitely be taking the car apart maybe within like 2 weeks. I'm also gotta take the car to get painted. I went to my paint already. He told me we're gonna probably have to use 2 colors for the color that I'm using. I'm not gonna show you guys what color I'm using it because I don't want nobody to take it because it's a fire color. The 2 colors together are gonna look really good, so it's gonna have like a theme to it. So that's gonna look pretty good. And yeah, I mean, hopefully, you know, this car gets the goal is to have the car done by summer and go crazy. So I'm like probably mostly gonna be getting a harness. Like with this build, it's gonna be next level. Like I'm not playing no games with this. And yeah, it should be a pretty good build series of all of this. Also just got, let me show you guys this real quick. From Carlos, his name's Carlos, yeah. Carlos, I posted I needed the cam caps for my head. And he had a B16 head laying around, so he got the cam caps. Yes, I do know that cam caps come specific for each head. Those heads are gonna get honed and all of that. I mean that the cam caps, those caps are gonna get honed and all that so they can fit properly onto the head. Made it perfectly. My builder knows how to do it. He's done it a couple times already, so that's all squared and good. But yeah, all the parts are literally here, and there's some more stuff just all over the place. And I'm looking forward to starting this build. This summer's gonna be a lot of new stuff coming, a lot of different things gonna be going on. So yeah, just look out for that. A lot of, just in general, this year's gonna be different. Just look out for, you know, everything that's gonna be different. Build, everything's gonna be different. So my main goal is to focus on videos, this build, you know, car shows, everything else is gonna be going on. So yeah, I'm getting back into the groove because now it's getting warmer. So obviously more content and a lot of more stuff to do. So thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Build to enjoy. Peace out, guys.